Trust me, you're gonna want to do it anyways. Don't worry, that's I have a bunch of different power grids.
Hey guys, I just want to tell you before the video starts, I'm not sure if this has frame rate. Okay, so before the video starts, I'm not sure if this has frame rate problems or not. On my editing software, it does look like it has frame rate problems. Maybe it does, maybe it's just the editing software just lively showing me the recording. So just a little disclaimer right there before you watch the video. And yeah. Enjoy the video. Let's hope its frame rate is fixed. Hopefully.
Actually, I have two. So that was a lie. But yeah, see, these guys still have power. Yeah, you see they're yellow. I am in a list of power management though. I don't like that. Oh goodness! Well, that was close. In my previous attempt, I really just kept getting distracted. So I want to make this as straightforward as possible. So if you guys recommend anything for me to do in Satisfactory, put it in the comment section below. And the comment section may not be there if the video literally just came out, like it says 13 seconds ago, video came out. Then it probably won't be there. I'm not sure. I need to edit my channel, you know. I still don't understand why these smelters make black smoke if it's just like orange right here. Well, not smelter, but boundaries and smelters. It's just an orange line. Well, let me show you smelter. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Okay. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So, this is my wire no, not my wire. I think this is my cable manufacturing, actually. It's my cable manufacturing. And if we go next door, literally, the next door. Like, the next door. We have, what is this? I don't know what this is. This is Mega Project. Because it's super tall. Stators and motors. Was it a freaking pain to manufacture all this? Yes. And this is my heavy modular frames and computers factory. My computers are already working. I'll have to resolve the plastic issue, but I really think if I fix it, I'm gonna have a circuit board issue, so it doesn't really matter. It's gonna be my heavy modular frame ingredient right here. Encased steel beams, or encased industrial beams. And this makes about like 6 per minute, so I think that should be good. Because of the other amount of other items, I think it should be good. I want to get some steel beams to this, so please hold, and I'm going to do that real quick. And there we go. Perfect. Now our steel beams should be coming in. Yes, they are. Look at these babies. They're coming in. Now, I probably need to add more steel beams in the future, but it looks good for now, so I'm not gonna complain. And that is our heavy modular frames completed. Oh brother, it's making some beams, buddy. It's making some beams. Now, here's what I want to add. First of all, I need more. I need more of a lot of stuff. Iron plates and rods. So I'm gonna go get that, and I'm gonna add a overflow system to my already existing industrial beat because it has a lot of overflow. So I will be right back when I'm done with all of that stuff. And then we'll get to the tour. Because you know there's a lot of stuff to do in Satisfactory. You're probably wondering, Steven, why are you looking at your computer manufacturer? This ain't my computer manufacturer. In fact, it's my heavy modular frame manufacturer. And the industrial beans should be here any second. Here they are. Look at them in their sweet, sweet glory. Let me give you the rest of the tour. Oh, lights. I love lights. This is a tractor lawn. This isn't net yet. That is how I got to grass fields. This is how I get to the my oil extractors fast, but the game is lagging too much. It can send you into the stratosphere, which is not good. This is the tractor lawn right here. This tractor is sending computers and heavy modular frames now it is. And then this tractor is gonna take a little adventure. It's gonna do a little vroom vroom. And once it's done doing the little vroom vroom, it's going to make it to this station right here. It's going to stop. And that's going to take those. And it's then going to go through this belt. Apparently it is. Perfect. And these heavy modular frames take a little trip around Texture Fighting Nation and make it all the way into this storage container where our first 2 heavy modular frames are. And right under it is all our computers that have been manufacturing over the time. I'm very glad I automated them. It's very good, very nice, very good, very nice. And this is my hub. This is where everything is made. We have my fix-it hub. I still don't have a gas mask. Don't worry about it. One little rubber. And ooh, I can't make fabric yet. I think that takes like my seal. This is monorail train technology, which is very epic, and I think is going to be very epic, so I can finally get those grass fields to use. Pipeline pump MK2. And pipe outside indicators show volume flow rate and direction shades up to 600 liters of fluid per minute. Wow, that's a lot. And all the other stuff is phase 3. If we climb up here, we have what used to be a watchtower at least. And then if we walk all over our catwalks, oh my gosh, I slipped. You made it to the Hypertube Central. This is where all the entrances to wherever in the base. I like this because it's all centralized and perfect. Up here, if we climb up here, we got this bad boy. This bad boy is a hefty boy. A very hefty boy. See this guy right here. This guy's our main watchtower. We hop on top. It about goes as high as like that little metal thingy. We can see my oil refinery. You can see it turned off. Oh, it just turned on. And, oh, okay, turned on. Okay, it's on. It's working. Oh, it just turned off. you can see my other oil refineries. I'm going there. We got our refineries over here. But before we go to there, we're gonna, oh my god, I'm dying. Well, not quite, I have a jetpack. This is our coal power plant. Super epic, because this is where all the power is originated. I'm planning to make more right here, but I think that's gonna be more in the future. For now, let's go back up the hypertube. And then show you my refineries, and that will be it for the video. This is all my fuel generators. There will be more in the future since I have a bunch of overloading fuel, which is bad because I'm not getting enough of that sweet, I forgot what it's called, but it comes from fuel refineries that use crude oil. I'm pretty sure it was called, yeah, polymer resin. I'm not getting enough of that because these guys are filling up. That's bad. And what I gotta do is I have to keep flushing one of these out. So let's flush this guy out. Okay. Now it's going to go. And now it's filling to its max. Blah, blah, blah. I have to do that every now and then if I want some more polymer resin at once. But there's just so much overloading fuel, it's not even funny. So we're also going to flush this fluid buffer. And yeah. This is currently making packaged fuel. I'm going to take this, sir. And that's it for my factory. If I missed anything, I will add it in a separate video. Yeah, there's a blueprint, space elevator, you know, there's project parts that are assembled there. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh my god! Is that a bean? I gotta bounce on the bean. Woohoo! Sir! I'm invincible.